lovely audience. It's Anchor Reena. You're watching Expo Media English. Today I'm here to cover Indian Machinery Tools, which is co-located by FacTech, which is Factory Equipment Expo. And today we are going to explore about the different industries of machines, tools and equipments. I'm sure you're excited to know about it. If you wanted to watch it, please subscribe us, like us and share to your loved ones. If you want to be a part of this event, you have to go for the registration. Registration can be done online and offline both. If you want to go for the online registration, you have to go to the official website, you have to fill your basic details and your registration will be done. If you want to go for the offline registration, you have to come here, you have to scan the QR code and your registration will be done. Let me tell you the details of the event. The timing is 10 to 6. The dates are 9 to 12th of May 2025 and the location is Bharat Mandap, Pragati Maidan. If you want to explore the machinery world, so you can be the part of the event. this side, Reena, and right now I'm with Mr. Gautam. He's the director of the UFlow. So I just wanted to know from you what exactly the UFlow is all about and which kinds of...
UFlow is a Make in India company. We are at Rajkot. Our headquarters are at Rajkot. We are primarily a manufacturing company of engineering products.
Okay.
Our line is pneumatics.
Okay.
Any machine which runs on pneumatic, they have to use our valves and automation products.
Okay.
My workforce is 500 plus right now, and we are increasing at a very fast pace.
Okay.
And we are helping all the industrial giants to use our products and better their machining capacities and their process walls.
That's great. So who are your target audience and any brand recommendation you want to give?
Brand recommendation is only UFlow. Use only UFlow.
Okay.
Our partners are companies like Maruti, Escorts, EIL, L&T, BHEL, all the small RO plant manufacturers. Everybody in the industry will use the automation products. So anything you want to automate the processes, you have to use a solenoid valve.
Okay.
So you have to come to UFlow.
Okay. So there are lots of young entrepreneurs are also here in the market and they wanted to explore the world. Can you please give any suggestions or tips for that? What exactly they are supposed to do?
We are big exporters. We are exporting to US. We regularly part in the Hanover Messe fairs in Germany, and we are doing lots and lots of exports. And yes, my only suggestion is for India to export. Rather than importing, we should export. We are India, we are number one. And you saw what happened last night.
Exactly.
So we are very proud of our Indian Army also. And I want all the Indians to work hard and export to all over the world.
That's great. Okay. So now I want to explore your booth. So can we please?
So this valve is for irrigation.
Okay.
All the farms, the pipelines are there spread across the farms. So we put these valves, they stop the lines automatically. Whenever I need water, I press a button, they stop, they start. So it's called for drip irrigation. These are direct acting valves. These are flame proof series.
Okay.
You know, where hazardous areas are required. You know, all the gas installations in India, they use the flame proof series. These are all actuators and cylinders. These are only for automation. These are the direct acting solenoid valves required for any machinery. These are the flame proof series required in any gas installations, any hazardous area where electricity should not be a danger for the product. So we put a flame proof coil. Any kind of flame will not spoil the entire equipment because electricity is being used inside.
Basically, these are solenoid valves which helps to control the flow of a fluid.
Okay.
These are the actuators and pneumatic cylinders. For heavy load, we need to use the cylinders to transport the material from one end to another end. So we use the pneumatic cylinders. These are the valves, the directional valves, the PU fittings. These are my process valves. Any line we need to stop and on, we need to use these.
This is FRL, this is pulsate valve. We have lots of varieties which helps in every media and application.
And our USP is Make in India and Make India Proud. That is my only USP. So we are not importing anything from anywhere.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much, sir, for interacting with Expo Media English. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure.
Namaste, this is Reena. I'm from Expo Media, and he's Mr. Udit. He's the director of Tech Handling Equipments. I just wanted to know from you what exactly your brand is all about and which kind of machines you are having right now.
Hello, hi. We are the Techmec Handling Equipments. We are the manufacturer of material handling equipments, all type of material handling equipments like pallet truck, stackers, drum lifters, and all. Which all these material handling equipments use in factories and warehouses for shifting of heavy materials or for loading and unloading of heavy materials.
So, what is the purpose of being the part of the machine tools, and who are your target audience?
Our target audience is all the manufacturing units and all the warehouses where where with the help of our products where you can load and unload all the products from the truck, or for you can shift from here to there very easily.
Okay, so let's explore your machines. Please come. So, what exactly this is?
This is a drum lifter cum tilter.
Okay.
This is used for lifting up a drum and tilting the drum like 360 degree.
Okay.
Right.
What about this?
This is pallet truck. This is very small product which is used in basically every industry for shifting up to 10-ton material from one place to another place.
So they are same or different?
This is the different. This is drum carrier. This is only for shifting the drum from one place to another very easily, whether the drum is of MS or plastic. These are the stackers. These used for these are the stackers. These are used for stacking the goods up to 3 meter or 3.5 meters.
Okay.
Yes.
And what about this and that?
This is the same pallet truck. These are the different capacities. This is
Okay.
3 ton.
Okay. I just wanted to know from you what exactly the price of this, machine.
This is the aerial work platform.
Okay.
This is used for working on up to 14 meter for maintenance or for drilling and whatever you want to do on 14 meters.
Okay.
In this, 2 person can go easily.
So you are the manufacturer, right?
Yeah, we are the manufacturer.
How people can contact you?
They can contact us on our number, or our website is www.techmecgroupindia.com.
Okay. Can you please explain about these two machines as well?
These are the stackers. This is the manual stacker. This is the semi-electric stackers. Manual stackers use manually. You can lift it up manually, and the semi-electric stackers can lift via battery, and pull push is manual, and lifting is electrically in that one.
Okay. So you are since 1995, right?
Yeah.
So how's the experience in the market right now and the experience of Machinery Tool Expo?
So we have already participated in IMTEX Bangalore also.
Okay.
So it was good, and here also this is the first day. We don't know what will happen, but I think so it will be good. Okay.
That's great. So thank you so much for interacting with Expo Media English. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you.
So hi everyone, this is Reena. Right now I'm with Mr. Akshay. He's the CEO of Big Zero. I just wanted to know from you what exactly your brand is all about and for what purpose you are here.
Okay, so thanks for introducing me. And we are basically into metrology and automation. So we believe that world is moving towards soft floor metrology. And previously, when you talk about measurements, measurements was very much limited into production in the precision rooms, and you have to basically dependent on products like CMMs. Now, what we are trying to do is we are trying to change the whole manufacturing, because if you really want to compete with the world class quality, you need to do 100% inspection, and 100% inspection is not possible to do it in batch size on a limited manner. You need to do something which has to be automated, and it can work in sync with the production demands. So we basically focus on metrology, and metrology we work on complete soft floor solutions, and we precisely focus on non-contact solutions like 3D scanners and camera-based systems. In that, we also deliver handheld systems, manual systems, and the most important aspect is we are having a capability to automate that. So we can put, as you can see, that we have put here a 3D scanner mounted on a robot, and it's a sort of a prototype where we are trying to measure automotive component. And with this, you can do 100% inspections of your component.
Okay. And how it works, by the way?
Okay, so what you see here is a tracker, and then there is a scanner, and we have this cobot. With the help of cobot, we integrate, we mount this scanner on this cobot.
Can we move that side?
Yeah. And then we have a robot integration software, and we program the component so that the robot creates a path, and then we also control the scanner functionalities, how to collect those data. And after that, you have a CAD drawing. With that, you basically get all the desired results. Like you're looking for a CAD comparison, GD&T parameters, whatever is your CTQ points, you can get with this. The smart thing is that you just have to do it once, and next time you just have to click a button, and with this you can get all the desired inspection results.
What about your new launched?
Okay, we have recently launched a product called K-Scan X. I will just take you here. So this is our recently launched product called K-Scan X. It's a game changer for two reasons. It works completely on wireless mode, so we can use a battery and wireless to deliver 100% inspection data. And it has got the biggest field of view, a field of view up to 2.5 meters. So as you can see that if I'm going to scan, I have scanned it, and I'm.
Oh wow. Just a minute now. Just a minute. Oh.
So you can see the field of view is too far. I'm scanning almost with a distance of approximately around 1.5–2 meters.
Yes.
And even with this, I can capture the whole data here. You can see the data are coming here on the screen. You can see. So by doing so, what I'm doing, I'm collecting those, capturing, and in short, if you talk in a layman's language, I'm digitizing the real part. So I'm capturing this, I'm actually doing 3D scanning, and once the data is captured here, as you can see, my colleagues have already done this. So this is a 3D model, which basically is a point cloud, and you get this output, and then you can do the analysis with the CAD, and you can get all type of CMM results with this. And the smart idea is you can also integrate this with the help of a cobot. So typically this is launched for a product which is mid to large range, a size that is from 2 meters up to 10 meters. You can do this type of measurements, and you can do it effortlessly in the wireless mode. So this is something which we have launched recently, and we have huge expectations in the Indian market, typically with fabricated manufacturers, defense, and then earth moving equipments, and a lot of applications that we can cover.
A last question, but not the least, what exactly message you want to convey to the audience about your brand Big Zero as well as about the event?
Well, I think Big Zero is completing 7 years now in this month, June. We started it in June 2018, and We have created a brand ourselves in last 7 years when it comes to 3D scanning and non-contact applications.
Okay.
And we have added more than 250 plus customers in last 7 years. If there is any scanning need across industry, Big Hero is a preferred partner. Coming back to IMTEX and DMTX, I have been working with them for quite long years, and this collaboration with them is quite old. We always make it a point whenever the IMTEX and IMTM is organizing any event, we are part of that. This year itself, we had a huge success at IMTEX in Bangalore, and that really pushed us to participate in DMTX because it's Delhi's and it's North India's leading machine tool manufacturing expo. So we are quite excited, and I'm not sure about in current scenario how the footfall is, but as everybody is excited, we are also excited to see few footfalls and some excited discussion with our customers.
A last message for competitors, a positive one.
Well, I think India has a lot to offer, and the economy is growing, and everybody has got a big market, and I wish everybody luck that let's have a positive competition. Let's win this market. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for interacting with Expo Media English. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
much guys for staying with us till the last. I hope you have enjoyed the complete exhibition. If you really like the video, please like us, share to your loved ones and subscribe our Expo Media English. This is Reena Uncle signing off for today. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you so much.